Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to download WordPress in Hostinger. Instead of downloading WordPress to your computer, then to your Hostinger, you can download it directly to Hostinger. To do so, just go to websites from the top of your account. Click on dashboard next to your domain name. Now from this menu on the left, click on website, then auto installer. Click on select under WordPress. Fill in your website credentials like your website title, also your email address and WordPress administrator username and password. After that, click on next. For the application version, I always recommend you to go with the latest WordPress version for better security. And for your site language, you can select it from this list. Now click on install and wait a moment. Now your WordPress is successfully downloaded in Hostinger, but let's check it first. And this is how to download WordPress in Hostinger. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.